My voice echoes louder than I've ever heard. Maria. It's the scariest moment I've had as a bird. Maria. 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 I just lost my friend named Maria. And suddenly the store is no fun anymore. No, sir. Maria, I should have stayed close to Maria. When I let go of that skate, oh, why did I not wait for her? Maria, she told me to cut out my playing. I last saw her while she was paying. Maria, oh, where is my friend named Maria?
Big Bird, I've just lost my good friend named Big Bird. And suddenly this store is no fun anymore, no way. Big Bird, where is my good friend, oh Big Bird? While I paid for my trash can, I bet that's when he ran, oh he ran, oh that's ran away. Big Bird, I say it loud, 'cause I hope he'll hear me. Oh, why didn't he stay near me? Big Bird, oh, where is my good friend, oh, Big Bird?
Maria, where is my good friend Maria?
Big Bird, oh, where is my good friend, oh, Big Bird?